Try and use back and forth motions, guys, smooth motions. Remember, the clay is an abrasive. That's why it's super important to keep the surface very lubricated. Bless up everybody worldwide. It's your boy King Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Today's video is going to be all about how to clear your vehicle and different products you can use to get the job done the right way. Yes, my people, come on over and I'll show you some different products you can use to clear your vehicle. Here we have a standard traditional clay bar from Chemical Guys. We actually have a clay towel. This one is from Nanoskin. We have a clay mitt. This one is also from Nanoskin. And then we have these ones here, which are pretty new to the market. Ultra clay scrubbers from the Rag Company. All right, guys, first things first, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the cleaning on this Honda CR-V. The hood right here is pretty dirty, so we're going to rinse and wash it off because you never clay on a dirty surface, always on a clean surface. Just grab our bucket, PNS Pearl, Auto Shampoo. I've been using this pretty recently, guys, testing it out. I like it. With that said, if you guys want me to do a review on this product, leave some comments below, let me know. Remember, guys, this is a demonstration video, so we're not going to do the whole vehicle, but we can do the hood. And basically, you just follow the same steps, panel by panel. Alright, my people, now that the hood is clean and nice, it's time to mix up some clay lubricant to make sure that the surface is always super lubricated. I like to use Maguire's Last Touch Spray Detailer, diluted 1:1. So right here, we have 16 ounces of water, and then 1:1 would be 16 ounces of chemical also. Right about there, guys. We add this to the mixture like we're cooking up some sauce here, right, guys? And you should see it fill up right to the 32 mark. So we got 32 ounces there, guys, of some clay lube. All right, first up, I'm going to show you guys how you can use your traditional clay bar. Like I said, this one is from Chemical Guys. You don't need a very big piece, guys. I'm just going to tear off a small piece of this one. There we go. And remember, keep this clean, guys. Put it back in the package and keep it away from anything dirty. All right, so I have our clay. You're going to mold it out into your hand. I like to mold it like this. You're going to make sure your clay itself is lubricated. And then spray your lube onto the panel. And then you can start to clay. Try and use back and forth motions, guys, smooth motions. Remember, the clay is an abrasive. That's why it's super important to keep the surface very lubricated, not to cause any marring on the paint. Because if you do end up marring the paint, you may have to end up polishing out those imperfections. So that's nice back and forth motions, guys. That's the traditional clay bar. You can see already a little bit of dirt coming off. And if this happens, clay drops like that, it's no good anymore, guys. Remember that. You see already, it picked up some little particles on the floor. So if you go back in and rub this on your paint, these little particles definitely going to scratch your clear, if not, the paint itself. So with that said, so a clay towel. This one is made by Nanoskin. It's like a synthetic clay. A benefit to these ones, guys, is that it's obviously a larger surface area. This actually comes in different sizes. This is the smallest version. But if you drop this, you can rinse it off and use it again. That's a definite plus when it comes to these, and you can use this more than once. So pretty much the same process, guys, but the way I like to do it when I'm using the towel or the mitt itself is with some soapy water. So we rest that here. Let me show you guys the mitt real quick. This is the mitt. See how large that surface area is? You can stick your hand in here like that and go in on the surface and clay like this, or you can hold it like that. Same thing, guys. If this drops on the floor, you can also pick it up, rinse it off, make sure it's clean, and you can use it again. It's the same type of material here that's on the clay towel. So let me show you guys how I like to use these. Like I said, we have our separate bucket here with clean water. I'll put some soap in there. Not too much, guys. Remember, this is all for demonstration purposes. So just as how we use the clay lube as a lubricant, you can also use soapy water as a lubricant also. It's going to be nice and soapy. And then, anyway. See, just hold it like any other towel. And same way, guys, same motion, back and forth motions. And you can actually feel it picking up contaminants on the paint. You see what I'm saying, guys? It's pretty straightforward. And if you want to use your clay lube, you can use it also. I mean, the more lubricated, the better. I mean, it might be overkill, but I always like to make sure it's super lubricated. Clay mitt. I also like to use it in soapy water and clay lube also. Same vibe, guys. Just make sure it's nice and soapy, nice and lubricated. And you're going like that. What's another quick tip is, you have a clean wash pad, wash mitt, whatever. You can soap this up also. And you can take it with you around the vehicle and just make sure it's nice and soapy, covering the whole panel. Do you clean like that? And you can work your way around the vehicle that way also. And then we have our clay scrubber. This is from the Rag Company. It's a pretty cool invention, I think. You have one side is actually the same material as the Jersey bug scrubber, I believe. So it's kind of like a bug scrubber for the front of your vehicle. And the other side is like your clay side also. So typically I like to use this on the front of vehicles. You want to soap up the front of the vehicle as if you're like, doing a regular wash. You're here washing the vehicle. Again, guys, this is just for demonstration purposes only, so we're just doing a quick demo. So you're washing your vehicle, you have your clay scrubber, you can just have it in your bucket. It's right there, super handy, easy to get to. You can use your bug scrubber side to scrub off some of the bugs. You can use it on your lights, paint, wherever. You can also use it and start claying and also. So very versatile, guys. Just try and keep your motions in like straight lines, no circular motions, just nice, straight, smooth motions, guys. And you can dunk it in here, make sure it's clean. This also, if you drop it on the floor, you just dunk it and rinse it off with some clean water. So yeah, man, after you rinse off, do your final rinse, get all that lubricant and soap off, you clear the vehicle. So you just follow the same process, guys. Round the vehicle, panel by panel. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just make sure the surface is very lubricated. That's key, guys. So you don't know. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Hopefully this video was helpful, informative. You don't know, guys. Thank you for watching. Big up on yourself. Like, share, subscribe. All of that. You don't know. Bless.